All around us, there's this invisible data stuff about air quality, local health trends, and it holds the key to keeping our communities safe. But, it's usually scattered, it's silent. We're about to look at a new AI platform that's designed to finally give that data a voice and turn it into real, life-saving action. This whole project, it wasn't born from a spreadsheet. It came from a really human story. One of the creators has a child with respiratory issues, and this really captures their daily struggle. It's that constant worry that so many families with vulnerable loved ones face every single day. For kids, for seniors, really for anyone with a chronic condition, getting clear health info is like trying to solve a puzzle, right? But all the pieces are scattered everywhere. You've got air quality reports over here, disease trends over there, and making one simple, safe decision becomes this huge, stressful chore.
Okay, this slide just nails it. It shows the massive difference we're talking about. On one side, the old way. Scattered data, confusing charts, always reacting after the fact. And on the other, the AI-immunity way. Everything unified, clear actions, and getting out ahead of problems. We're talking about a shift from reactive to proactive.
So how does it actually work for you, for a resident? Well, imagine having a personal health advisor powered by AI right in your pocket. It's not about throwing complicated charts at you. It's about taking all that complex data and turning it into simple, actionable advice that's tailored for your specific location.
Let's see how it works. It all starts with something so simple, so conversational. A resident just has to say, "I'm not feeling well." And that one sentence, that kicks off this incredibly powerful, coordinated response behind the scenes.
And here's where the magic really happens. The system has this team of specialized AIs, or agents, that all work at the same time. So while one AI is analyzing your symptoms and finding nearby clinics for you, another one is already spotting a potential risk to the community and asking if you'd like to file a report. It's personal care and public safety all happening in a single instant.
But this isn't just for residents. Let's flip the coin and look at the other side of the equation, public health officials. They get their own secure command center that takes all this community data and turns it into a clear, operational picture.
And this thing is built for speed. We're talking an API response time of under 100 milliseconds. What that means is officials aren't waiting hours or days for reports. They are getting smart analytics from crowdsourced info almost instantly.
And this is absolutely crucial. Officials don't just get a flood of raw data, they get these beautifully summarized, actionable cards. The AI has already pulled out the key details, grabbed any photos, and presented it all in a way that lets them make a fast, informed decision.
Now this is incredible. An official can actually tell the system to take action. So in this case, they're asking an AI agent to generate a public service announcement video about the air quality right on the fly and then push it out to social media. A total game changer.
And that right there, that perfectly shows the most powerful idea at the heart of this whole thing. It's not just about collecting data or sending out alerts. It's about closing the loop, creating a real, active connection between residents and the people trying to protect them.
Just think about this flow for a second. A single resident reports something. The AI analyzes it and alerts an official. That official then deploys a response, like that PSA video, which then gets pushed back out as a notification to protect the entire community. It's a perfect, virtuous cycle.
So what's the engine behind all this? Well, it's a team of 11 specialized AI agents, all working together. And by having each one focus on a specific job, one for air quality, one for disease tracking, one just for making videos, the whole system can respond with amazing speed and precision.
And that really is the main takeaway. At the end of the day, this is so much more than just another data platform. It's a tool that takes our individual worries and turns them into collective strength. It's a totally new way for communities to look out for each other and build resilience together. So I'll leave you with this final thought. This is really just the beginning. By connecting us all in this new way, we're building a future where we don't just react to health challenges, we actually get ahead of them. So what if we could actually see a crisis coming before it even starts?